Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making some lemon pepper wings. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. So guys, these are all the wings that I will be preparing today. First, I wash my wings with lime and vinegar. Next, I am going to season my wings with some onion powder, garlic powder, and some all-purpose seasoning, about 1 tablespoon each. Next, I am going to use my hands to rub all that season in. So guys, now that the wings are well seasoned, I am going to use about a cup of flour in a separate bowl. I will be adding about a tablespoon of salt and pepper and some all-purpose seasoning. I will be using this as a coating for my wings. And guys, this part is completely optional. You do not have to season your flour. You can just use it as it is. And guys, please remember to shake off any excess flour that is on the wings after coating it. Next, I will be frying these wings. You can either fry them or put them in the air fryer, but in this case, I am frying them in a pot full of hot oil. I am going to allow these wings to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes. After they're finished frying, I am going to place them on some napkins to drain any excess oil. Next, I will be using about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I am doing this just so that the lemon pepper can stick to it. Next, I will be using about 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Then I am going to shake it around, and that is it, guys. It is that simple. And there you have it, guys. Make sure to like this video, share this video, don't forget to try this recipe, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye guys.